In this tutorial, I will show you how to backup your Asana account. First, choose a backup method. You can either use a third-party backup tool or export your data manually. For automatic backups, sign up for a backup service. Popular options include cloud backup tools that support Asana. Connect your Asana account to the backup service. Allow permissions when asked. Now select what you want to backup. This can be projects, tasks, attachments, or entire workspaces. Next, set a backup schedule. Choose daily, weekly, or any interval you prefer. Once set, the backup will run automatically in the background. For manual backup, open your project in Asana. Click the three dots at the top. Select Export and choose CSV or JSON. Download the file to your computer. Repeat this for important projects if needed. That is how you backup your Asana account.